about how to set and calibrate the digging angle of the bucket. Anytime you get a new bucket on, for the first time, you're going to have to line it. It's kind of like lining the front tires on a car when you put a new front end on. So that means that when you hit the bucket, it goes to a position. Okay, 0, and you can see in the top right hand corner here, 0 is what we call level to the earth. That will dig at 0 degrees level. It's very sensitive. You can see me barely moving the bucket there. Okay, so it's how you do is you dig a trench with the auto steer with the green line on, then you touch the ground and you just take and 0 it. So we're 0 here. Then you touch, where your teeth started in the ditch. We don't have a ditch here, so we got to simulate. Touch here and say, wow, it's gone up 2 inches. That is way too much. So you'd set your bucket down, hit the auto steer, get it close. We're at 2 there, so I'm gonna dump it down. I know it's going uphill quite a bit. So, oops. I'm gonna turn it down to a negative. I'm gonna start out, that's a lot, 2 inches. I'm gonna go down negative 1.1 degrees. And to do that, the F4 and F5 right here, I just hold them down. And you see how it beeps, it's flashing. It re-zeroed it, so that's our new 0 grade. Hit enter. Then we hit the auto steer. We go ahead and dig again, and I'm digging in the air, so it's flying through the air. And we dug again, and we touch both sides again, zeroing out here, and check the other end and say, okay, it's within 2 inches. I didn't change the asphalt actually, but let's say it got within 1 inch. So again, or let's say it went the opposite way, and it said it had to go up 1 inch. I went too far when I did that. So again, I'd hit the auto steer button, I'd get it down to level. And if I was going down too much, I would do a positive number. So the positive number, let's say I want to go you really don't want to go when you're close much more than 0.2, 0.3. I'm going to go 0.4 in this case, positive. So I hit the F4 and F5. Hear it beep there. Beeps, it's now 0. You've done set the re-angled the 0 of the bucket for digging 0. That's how that works. Pretty simple. That's how you line your new buckets.